Dictation will starts in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, start. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, I rise to support the Plantations Labor within bracket Amendment Bill brought up by the government for our consideration. Full stop. Sir, the said plight of millions of toiling people who sweat on various plantations in the country to earn valuable foreign exchange for us is really too much to be expressed in words. Full stop. These workers live and work in most human and pitiable conditions. Full stop. These plantations include tea, coffee, rubber, etc. And as we know, tea alone is one of the major foreign exchange earners of our country. Full stop. But, sir, it is needed most regrettable that, notwithstanding a lapse of 62 years since our independence, these workers who earn crores and crores of rupees by way of foreign exchange have to live in most miserable conditions. Full stop. They live in houses that are most insecure and collapse frequently, and when these workers die as a result of these collapses, their guardians or their dependents do not get even due compensation for the loss that they have to bear. Full stop. Unhygienic living in distant and far-flung areas compounded with lack of medical and educational facilities make their life utterly miserable. Full stop. These plantation workers have to live in abject property like slaves of their employers, and as we know, most of these plantations are still foreign owned establishments, last vestiges of the colonial rule, the British rule. And as I said, it is a matter of deep regret for all of us that despite enacting an act, the Plantations Labor Act 200, we have not yet been able to effect any improvement in their conditions. Full stop. I think the employers alone are not responsible for their miserable condition. Full stop. We are also as much responsible as they are, because although we could enforce the enactment and we could improve their conditions such earlier, we have failed in doing so. Full stop. Sir, on the 9th May 2003, this house, the Rajya Sabha, decided that a joint committee should be appointed to look into the desired amendment and put up a draft as early as possible for our consideration. Full stop. On the 26th May 2003, the Lok Sabha also adopted the resolution, our motion, with the result that a 45-member committee in which 15 representatives were from the Rajya Sabha and 30 from the Lok Sabha was appointed to look into the matter. Full stop. Next para. This committee was to submit its report on the first day of the 15th session of the Rajya Sabha, that was in 2003. Full stop. But this committee had to be granted 3 extensions, and the report was ultimately available on the 3rd March 2005. full stop. At that time, as we all know, the so-called JP's movement of total revolution was at its peak, full stop. Within 2 or 3 months, the national emergency had to be declared, and during the emergency, priorities had changed, and we could not just effect this desired improvement at that time, and we could not being about this legislation, full stop. And then the Janta rule and the Lok Dal rule, full stop. For 30 months they were in power, but they too, although they try to pose to be the champions of the downtrodden, and the workers failed to deliver the goods, and that is why today we are going to consider the report of that committee that was presented to the government in 2005, full stop. Therefore, we are also equally responsible for not ameliorating their conditions and their plight, full stop. The committee had to consider 120 memoranda giving views and suggestions from various unions and associations, and 59 witnesses appeared before the committee, and that committee itself came to the conclusion that in various areas, even the breast minimum facilities such as arrangement for supply of wholesome drinking water, latrines, full stop, urinals, provision of qualified doctors had not been provided, though these amenities are a must under the act, full stop. The act has been there, but we could not enforce it. We could not implement it only because the employers did not want it. They did not want to give to the workers due justice, full stop. Inadequacy of punishments that are awarded under the act is one of the main impediments standing in the way of implementation of various welfare measures, full stop. Courts generally take a lenient view of the offenses under the act, and they let off the employers who are offenders with lighter punishment, which generally amounts to a fine of rupees 100, full stop. So the committee suggested amendment to section 36 of the act, full stop. An employer is required to provide these workers living accommodation, but generally, in spite of the fact that the government gives loans and subsidies to the employers for construction of houses, progress in regard to these constructions is very poor, full stop. As I said earlier, very unhygienic and insecure houses are there where these people have to live, full stop. Even compensation to the workers in the event of the house collapse is not given, full stop.